Hello students, welcome in our geography lecture. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 8, human environment, interactions, the tropical and subtropical region. In the previous lecture we learned about the human environment, settlement, transport and communication. Now we will learn about the interaction of peoples. So first of all, in this lesson we will learn about Amazon forest. Amazon forests are the biggest forests in the world. As human lungs help in the respiration, Amazon forests absorb a large amount of carbon dioxide and give back oxygen to the earth. Therefore, this is called as lungs of the earth. The forest got its name from the river Amazon flowing through it. Now let's learn more about the Amazon river. The Amazon river flows through the equatorial region. Many tributaries join the Amazon river. The Amazon basin covers the portion of Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Colombia and parts of Venezuela. Now climatic conditions in the Amazon basins are it has hot and wet climate through the year. Days and night are equally hot and humid. Skin feels sticky. In the daytime, temperatures are high with high humidity. In the night, the temperature drops, but the humidity remains high. Such a climate changes occur because the presence of the rainforest. So, we will learn about the rainforests. Forests which receive very heavy rainfall and filled with rich biodiversity are called rainforests. Amazon rainforests are so thick that sunlight does not reach the ground easily. Rainforests are home to many special birds and animals. Birds such as the macaws and parrots are found here. Animals like monkeys, sloths and anteaters are found here. Reptiles like snake and crocodiles are also very common in these areas. Flesh-eating fishes like piranha are also found in this river. So let's students, we will revise those points once again. The Amazon river flows through the equatorial region. Amazon basin covers Brazil, Peru, Bolivia and Colombia. Amazon basin has a hot and wet climate throughout the year. In the daytime, the temperature is high and very humid. In the night time, the temperature drops, but the humidity remains the same. Amazon river basin also has a very thick forest cover known as the rainforest. Rainforests are home to many types of animals, birds, reptiles and fish. So I hope students you understood that first point. Now we will see about the people of rainforests. Amazon rainforests are not only home to a variety of flora and fauna, but many tribal groups also live there. People living here are very much dependent on the forest for their survival. Let's see the day-to-day activities of people of rainforests. Normally, men go for hunting and fishing, and women take care of the crops. The main crops grown here are tobacco, pineapple, and sweet potato. The main food is the manioc, also known as the cassava, that grows under the ground like the potato. They also eat quinoa and egg sacs. People also grow coffee, maize, and cocoa. Now let's see how the people of Amazon forests live. Rainforests provide a lot of wood for houses. Hence, people there started living in the houses made of wood. People live there in thatched houses shaped like beehives. A thatched house is one such which has a roof made up of dry vegetation and straw. Some live in the apartment like house called the Malaco. In recent years, Amazon rainforests are going through many changes. In older days, the interior of the forest could be reached only by Amazon River. But in the 1917 strand, Amazon Highway was made, making all parts of forest reachable. The original people of Amazon forests were pushed from there and forced to settle somewhere else. This development gave rise to the gradual destructions of the forest. There is a huge loss of biodiversity and the land is turning into the barren landscape. So let's students, we will revise once again those points. Rainforests are not only home to different plants and animals but also different people. People living here are dependent on the forests. Men go out for fishing and hunting, and women take care of the crops. The main food is manioc, also known as the cassava, that grows under the ground like the potato. People live in the houses made out of wood. It is called the Moleko. The constructions of the Trans-Amazon Highway made all the parts of Amazon forest accessible. This gave rise to the gradual destructions of the forest and loss of biodiversity. The original people of Amazon forests were forced to leave the forest and settled somewhere. So I hope students you understood about the people of the rainforest. Now we will see about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin first. This basin is formed by the river Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries together. The tributaries of the river Ganga include Ghagra, the son of Chambal, the Gandak, the Kosi, and others. The tributaries of the river Brahmaputra include Sabansari, Testa, Lohit, and other. Ganga Brahmaputra basin lies in the subtropical region that is situated between 10° north and 30° north latitudes in the Indian subcontinent. Now let's see the features of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. The main features of the basin includes the plain, the mountains and foothills of the Himalayas and the Sundarbans delta. That thing students you can see in the picture image also. In the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, oxbow lakes are commonly found. due to the presence of many rivers. This basin has a monsoon type of climate that brings rain from the mid-June to mid-September. In the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, the winters are cool and the summers are hot. These features of the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin play an important role in the distribution of the population. The mountain areas with the steep slopes have fewer people as these are not suitable for the people to live. Whereas the plain areas has many living because it provides flat land that is suitable for the level. मतलब लोगों के लिए यहाँ सभी ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा संख्या में लोग यहाँ पे हमें दिखते हैं. And the soil in the plains is fertile, which is suitable for the agriculture also. Even in the slopes of the mountain and hilly areas where the slopes are not steep, the crops are grown on the terraces. So agriculture is the main occupation of the people living there. Among different agriculture crops grown in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, paddy is the main crop. Paddy requires more water to grow. So it is cultivated in places where the amount of rainfall is high. Other crops that are grown are wheat, maize, gram and millets. The important cash crops that are grown at this basin are sugarcane and jute. Cash crops are the crops that are mainly grown to sell in the market for money instead of being used by the farmers for themselves. There are also different types of plantations found in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. Plantations are large farming areas where only one type of crop is grown. Banana plantations are seen in some plains and tea plantations are seen in the Assam and West Bengal. Silk is produced through the cultivation of silkworms in the parts of Bihar and Assam. So let's students, we will revise that once again. Ganga-Brahmaputra basin is formed by the rivers Ganga and Brahmaputra and their tributaries together. This basin has plains, the mountains and foothills of the Himalayas and Sundarban Delta. The area is dominated by the monsoon climate from mid-June to September. Plain areas attract more people than slope areas because the soil is fertile on the plain lands. Crops like sugarcane, jute, wheat, maize, gram and millets are grown. There are also plantations like banana and tea. Silk is produced in the parts of Bihar and Assam. So I hope students you understood about the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin first. Now in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin second, this basin, the natural vegetation cover is spread based on the type of landforms existing. In the plain areas, tropical deciduous trees like teak, sal, peepal are found. Particularly in the Brahmaputra plains, thick bamboos are commonly found. At the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta, the mangrove forests are found. In the mountain areas of Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, the climate is cool. At these places, coniferous trees are found as these grows in cool places. Some coniferous trees are pine, deodar and fir. These varieties of vegetation give shelter to various wild animals in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. Some common wild animals found here are elephants, tigers, monkeys. At the Brahmaputra plain, one-horned rhinoceros are majorly present in the Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary of Assam. At the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta, Bengal tiger, crocodiles and alligators are found. Aquatic animals like fish are found in the fresh river waters, the lakes and the Bay of Bengal Sea. Popular varieties of fish found here are rohu, katla and hilsa. Fish and rice are the routine food of the people living in this basin. There are many big cities and towns in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin. Some important cities include Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna and Kolkata. All are on the bank of river Ganga. The population of all these cities is more than 10 lakhs. The wastewater from these towns and industries is discharged into the rivers. This is resulting in the population of the rivers. All four ways of transport are well developed in the Ganga-Brahmaputra region. These four ways are roadways, railways and airports. Waterways. Waterways are also well-developed transport system due to the presence of the rivers. There are also ports on these rivers. Kolkata port is an important port on the river Hooghly. The plain areas of this basin also have a large number of airports. Some airports are in Delhi, Kanpur and Lucknow. Tourism is another important activity in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin, attracting many visitors from all around the world. Some tourist places on the rivers are the Taj Mahal at river Yamuna and Allahabad on the confluence of the rivers Yamuna and Ganga. Attractive Buddhist stupas are found in the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. And the beautiful Bara, Imambara momentum is in Lucknow. In the northeast, many wildlife sanctuaries are found. Kaziranga and Manas wildlife sanctuaries in Assam are famous. And Arunachal Pradesh has different tribes with unique tribal cultures. All these places in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin are worth visiting. So let's students, we will revise those points once again. In the plain areas, tropical deciduous trees are found. Bamboo is found in the Brahmaputra basin. Mangrove forests are found in the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta. And some mountain areas, coniferous forests are found. Some wild animals found here are elephants, tigers, monkeys, one-horned rhinoceros, Bengal tiger and crocodiles. Aquatic animals like fish are found in the fresh river waters, the lakes and the Bay of Bengal Sea. Fish and rice is the famous diet for the people in the basin. Some important cities in the basin include Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna and Kolkata. All four ways of the transport are well developed in the Ganga-Brahmaputra region. There are also many tourist places in the Ganga-Brahmaputra basin that attracts many visitors from all around the world. Some are the Taj Mahal, Bara Imambara, Buzdi Stupas and Kaziranga and Manas wildlife sanctuaries. So I hope students you understood all the points from this chapter number 8. Thank you. Happy learning.